We are Oddsockeaters, and rule number one for all Oddsockeaters is never take the full pair.
Never take the full pair.
Is never take the full pair. I don't steal. I share with people. One for them and one for me. And who is this blue fluff garbage?
I'm, Hugo.
Teach him everything a good sock eater needs to know, you idiot.
Oh, hey!
And don't be too easy on him.
I've never stolen anything in my life.
I have, nearly all the time. Well, socks, I mean. Spike Ricer is the leader of a gang that calls themselves the Blades. They're really dangerous.
All yours, Blades. And remember, take full pairs.
Did you see that?
Did you hear that?
Full pairs? And they got a girl with them.
Everyone dump the sock. Now let's take him in instead.
I want to have a word with Mr. Spike Ricer, please.
Well, you want to be a Blade, do you?
Yes, please, sir.
Oh, humans, how we love you, how